Welcome back to the channel. It's Raptor. Today we're gonna make a GIF. Go to File, Import Video Frame to Layers, and I'm gonna circle it. You pick your clip, it brings up a box. You've got sliders here to clip it down, but I've already pre-cut my clip, so we're good. Hit OK. Now, you just want to go to Windows, Timeline, make sure your timeline is clicked so it's up at the bottom. Then I'm going to go to the first and last layer with Shift, and then the same first and last, click with Shift, and then I'm going to crop it to the Tumblr standard, but I do think I end up having to resize at the end, but I take this step anyway. Once that's done, you're good. Go to the bottom left on the timeline, click the button, go over to your layers, right click, convert to Smart Object. Then it compiles it to 1. I'm using the slider, then I'm render it through with that green line, then it plays smoothly again. Now we could save there, but I want to make some adjustments. So image, adjustments, curves, and we're just going to move it just a little bit up. And then once we're good there, we're going to hit OK. Then I'm going to go back up to image, adjustments, and vibrance. And then we're just going to make a little adjustment there. Hit OK. Now this is when we get to sharpen. So filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. We're going to do this twice. But the first time, that first box, we're going to put in 14. And then the next one, we're going to put in 64. And then I just move it over a little bit on the little small square so you can see that it's sharpened. Once you're done, hit OK. And then we're going to do it again. Filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. Different this time. We're going to use 500. And then the radius, we're going to do 0.3. You can adjust however you like, but that's how I did it. Hit OK. Then I'm just going to go add some noise. So filter, noise, add noise. Do whatever amount you want. I do 3. Gaussian and monochromatic is clicked. Then I'm going to click play to let that render through. Give it a second because it does take a minute. Then once it's done, come on. You can do it. Okay. All right. Okay, it's good. And let it play through. Then just go back over to your layers, right click on it, duplicate it, hit OK. Then I'm gonna go to filter, other, and high pass. This is just something interesting that I do to make it a little bit more sharpener, whatever. Use whatever amount you want. Then blend, soft light, and the opacity is 70. Then I'm gonna zoom in. Click play to let it render through, give it another minute, and then once that is done, I let it play smoothly. All right, yep, there we go. I zoom in a little bit more so I can click on and off to see or to show you what that does. It sharpens around the ears there. All right, now I'm done. We're done. We're ready to go. We're going to hit File, Export, Save for Web Legacy, and just make sure you use the little drop down there to click GIF. And you can save it like that. And you see the image size down there. It's actually bigger than what I needed it to be for Tumblr, so I resize it to the standard. And it takes a second, but it reloads. And then you can play it again. And then we're finished. I think in the video it makes it a little choppy, but at the end here I add the GIF by itself. Yep, there we go. Now you're finished. Congratulations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.